Hi friends, welcome back to Wefix. Gadgets repair at your doorsteps. Is your laptop getting overheating? 8 reasons for laptop getting overheating. Defective thermal fan, outdated software, virus and malware attack, CPU or GPU overheating, too many programs running at a time, unresponsive applications, blocked air vents, dust buildup on your PC's fans and vents. Don't worry, there are top 5 precautions Wefix recommend. Close background running programs. Update software. Scan for virus and malware. Clean the dust in fan vents. Apply thermal paste on CPU or GPU heat sinks. By following these 5 precautions, you can overcome overheating problem of your laptop. To know more about how to prevent overheating problem of your laptop, visit our Wefix blog. The link is provided in description box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get latest updates.